Greetings, incredible LTDE 3302 students. Welcome to Module Week 5 of Principles of Adult Learning. This module is entitled Creating a Tutorial on Adult Learning Theories. Let's begin by looking at the Module Week 5 learning resources. In this module, you will create a video tutorial to introduce various adult learning theories to others. You will combine video clips, images, music, and text within a multimedia presentation. This tool will facilitate critical reflection upon higher order thinking questions regarding adult learning theories. Prior to beginning the assignment for this module, please be sure that you review the following websites: What is Adult Learning Theory and Adult Learning Theories. Let's now look at the Module Week 5 assignment, which is the tutorial on adult learning theories. For this assignment, you will think through the facets of adult learning theories you have explored not only in this particular week, but also in the weeks prior throughout this course. You will apply the new knowledge you have acquired through designing a tutorial on adult learning theories. The intended audience for this presentation will be fellow instructional designers, especially those who are new to the profession of instructional design. If your chosen presentation tool for this particular assignment does not have built-in narration options that will allow you to share content in an audio format, such as Prezi, you may create the visual elements of the presentation and then use ScreenPal or another screencasting tool to incorporate narration. Here you will find a beginner's guide to ScreenPal's free recorder, which is the screencasting tool that I use to record all of my screencasts for this course as well as all of the other LTDE courses. It is a highly effective, very easy to utilize tool. I definitely recommend it for this particular assignment as well as other assignments throughout this course and future LTDE courses. Your presentation should include the following elements: an overview of at least 2 adult learning theories, a description of how these theories are similar in nature to one another, as well as a description of how these theories differ from one another. You should also include a description of how these theories can be effectively incorporated by instructional designers to enhance instructional design endeavors. Your video should be at least 3 minutes in length, and you will want to be sure that you conclude with a list of references, including the research you have utilized. Please be sure that these references are posted in APA format, and you are welcome to use references that you have discovered in this course, as well as other references that you have found online through your reading about adult learning theories. You will want to post your completed video to YouTube, and in case you have never before uploaded a video to YouTube, you can view this tutorial on how to post your first video to YouTube. Please be certain that you select Public under Visibility Settings in order that others will be able to view your video. You will also have the opportunity to share your video through a future discussion board forum in next week, Module Week 6. I appreciate your time and tremendous efforts to create an excellent tutorial that will extend the learning experiences of all of our classmates in this course. Thank you for your dedication to excellence. God bless you, and I look forward to seeing you online over the coming week.